A tree grows at a rate of 1/5 of its height annually. By how much height will it grow after 2 years if its present height is 75 centimeter? A. 96 cm, B. 96 cm, C. 108 cm, D. 112 cm, and E. 144 cm. Okay, take note that 1/5 daw every year. So, multiply lang natin sa baseline natin. That is equal to 1/5 times 75. That's 15. Dadaglag lang tayo ng 15 doon sa baseline natin. Noong 1 year. So, after the first year, the height is 75 plus 15. That is equal to 90 centimeter. Next year, the growth in the second year, 1/5 times 90. That is equal to 100. Or that is equal to 18. Okay? So, ang tinatanong kasi is the total. Therefore, after the second year, 90 plus 18, that is equal to 108 centimeter. So, correct answer is letter C po.